Alright, we're here at Riverdale Road in Colorado, supposedly the most haunted road in Colorado. Let's see if we can't find the gates to hell, which are supposedly here, and a few other cool things. So there are 8 common stories surrounding Riverdale Road. One is that the gates to hell exist here. Apparently there used to be a mansion on the road, and the man who built the mansion ended up burning it down with his family asleep inside, and he was never caught. Supposedly the wife walks the road by the gates, and some say she's searching for her children. Some say that she is looking for her husband to get revenge, and the story is that she will appear in your rearview mirror as you pass by. However, we were never able to find these gates. Second is a phantom jogger. Apparently there was a jogger along Riverdale Road that was hit by a car. The jogger died, and now the jogger supposedly haunts the road. And if you're walking down the road, sometimes you can hear a loud heartbeat or footsteps. And if you drive, some people have reported hitting something, later to find that there was actually nothing there and no damage to their vehicles. Demonic activity is also reported around Riverdale Road. A lot of the empty and abandoned buildings have fresh graffiti with satanic imagery in it, something that you'll see later in the video when we explore an abandoned building. And people have even reported finding headless and mutilated animals surrounding the satanic imagery. Apparently long ago in Colorado's history, along Riverdale Road, there were a lot of people from the underclasses that were scapegoated for crimes, and they were hung along Riverdale Road. Supposedly, you can see the bodies hanging from the cottonwood trees if there's a full moon out. There's also a story of a young boy that was walking to school on Riverdale Road, and he had been hit by a car. The story says that he now paces the street at night, smearing his bloody handprints on the street signs. There's also a story of a phantom Camaro that patrols the road. Apparently in the 70s, there was a man speeding around in his Camaro, and the road is very windy, so he went off the road, crashing his car, and died in the crash. Apparently now you can still see the phantom Camaro chasing you and challenging you to a race. However, the farther you went down the road, there were quite a bit of trailer parks, so seeing a 1970s Camaro with only one working headlight probably isn't a ghost. The most cliché story of Riverdale Road is that of the phantom hitchhiker that disappears as soon as you pick her up. Before Colorado was a state, the whole area was Native American territory, and since it's became a state and they've been pushed out of there, there's a lot of rumors that Native American shapeshifters, otherwise known as skinwalkers, are roaming in that area, and a lot of them appear on the road, taking shapes of coyotes, foxes, etc. So be on the lookout. Thank you all very much for listening and watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button as it really does help me out. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and thank you for watching.